Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 4x6 privacy fence. I already had this product for over 3 months now, and I like this because it gives me that privacy that I need whenever that we're outside in the backyard or even the front yard. This is made out of like a resin material. You're even able to hang little flower pots from here. The pole is a nice steel pole. Installation is very easy, and then you have two options to set this up, either with the base that it comes with that you would drill into the concrete if you want to make it permanently, or it comes with stakes that you put on the bottom of the pole and then you drive this down into the ground. So I'm using it with the base, so that way I can move this around back wherever that I want to use. As you can see, it gave you some privacy from the people from the outside, and this is a very nice color. All right, so let me show you how to put together this privacy fence. So you're gonna grab your bottom piece here, and then you're gonna slide the pole through the holes here. And the final piece goes on top. The final piece goes like this, and then you have your two caps, and you cap it off like so. You just hit them down in place. And then I'm going to install this using stand that it comes with. Your other option, if you're planning on installing this in grass, it has these two sharp points that you could push into the ground. So this stand's pretty much about 6 feet tall. So this is a great privacy fence. If I'm interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you could buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great privacy fence. I like the size, width-wise and height-wise. I like the material that it's made of, so this is not going to rust. Very durable. I like the different options that you have to install this, either with the base that it comes with or with the stakes that it also comes with that you attach to the bottom of the pole. So this is very easy to put together and it's very durable.